Hello friends, welcome to Subarna's kitchen. Today I am going to cook a new recipe that is honey garlic chicken. It is a evening snacks and it is very delicious and easy to cook. Let's enjoy the recipe. Our evening snacks honey garlic chicken is now ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please try this. Your comments are most welcome. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more new recipes. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.